Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is that you're watching this video. My name is Paul. Welcome to DexFxMarkets.com. And today is Wednesday, August the 19th. Time flies. Okay, what I thought today is, as you are already aware, for those of you that have been here frequently, that we are condensing, we are streamlining everything at Dex Fx Markets into one system, giving you two memberships. That's two memberships for your choice. And what I thought I'd do today was quickly just run through what we actually have at DexFxMarkets.com. And of course we have the Dex News, and this is what is keeping you up to date with everything that's happening at Dex at the moment. It's taking a while to load up. I've got a few things happening in my system at the moment. But we have lots of information, hey, the green room, the den room, and there's a whole host of videos and news as it's happened that we put on here, so that we're keeping everybody informed. We believe in transparency and openness, so we like to keep everything here for you. Then of course we have our systems. We have the Den portal, we have the Dex Atomic portal. Now the Dex Atomic obviously is our I'm a bit biased here, our best system ever, which is why we streamlined it all down to this. So we have the Dex Atomic portal that gives you the 1 hour and 2 hour charts. And for those of you that like the Dex Atomic, the TV, now the TV stands for TradingView, and a lot of people love the TradingView platform. We do actually, and that's why we've utilized it and added it into our systems. We have the members portal, we have the customer care center, and of course we have the Xedan bot still. Xedan bot is still there. At the moment it's going through an overhaul, because it's having a little bit of a tweak, if you like, which will incorporate the Dex Atomic, because the Dex Atomic is doing so superbly well. Moving on, we have the training center. So of course we have our Nadex training center. That explains everything really about Nadex, how to utilize it. We have the Nadex Ninja, the Trader's Mind series, and the MetaTrader Mayhem. And this really is just to give you the basic idea of everything about Nadex. Trader's Mind series is a superb series, absolutely superb, and it's one that I would recommend that you start with, to be honest. Okay, moving on, we then have, of course, the Forex Training Center, and here we'll give you everything you need to know about Forex as well. And bear in mind, all this is done in layman's terms. This is done and made so simple for you that even a child could probably understand it. Let's not go into too much, but yes, certainly a lot of people do understand it. Then of course we have our contact us, and that way you can have consultations with us. And if you click on the button here, at the moment we have Thor. He's one of our top traders, and you can have a one-to-one consult with him by clicking the buttons here and letting us know what it is that you want to talk about, and arrange a time which is convenient to you, and of course to us. Oh, well, certainly Thor, because he might not be up at your particular time, being as we go out across the world. Okay, then of course we have the results, which we are no longer obviously doing. Videos, and again going back to our news desk over there, we have loads and loads of videos, all informative videos, no rubbish there. It's training videos, it's informative videos, it's what's been happening, it's just everything you need to know about DexFxMarkets.com. And then of course we have a donation page, and these are for people actually that like to donate, and it keeps the company nice and healthy, because we rely on donations and help from people to keep us running. We are not a greedy company at all. We do our trading for our own money, but it actually does cost quite a bit to keep the company going. And we've been going for 7 years, so we're doing very, 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 very well indeed at it. Okay, this of course is the TradingView platform. Let's get rid of that. And again, when you join us, we'll show you how you can utilize the directional arrows. We'll talk about the first over and first under. We'll talk about the all-in. We'll talk about the hills. We'll talk about the valleys. We'll talk about the MA. We will talk and discuss with you what they are for. You know, this is for us to make you successful in your trading world. And of course, if you're successful, then we're successful. It's quite that simple. We believe in your success. But again, it is very important to take all the training, but we will explain everything to you that you need. And this is what we're here for. Okay, well, I'm going to call it a day at that. It's lousy weather outside, but looking very, very nice on the charts at the moment. As you can see here, just to quickly scroll through here. Oh, I might as well mention support and resistance, as this is just shouted at me. This is the resistance, and this is support. Anything that is below the candlesticks, and these individual things we call candlesticks, anything below is support. So think of it as a floor. Okay, it's support. And as you watch it come down, you can see it bouncing off the support, which is why we call it support. And of course, as I said before, anything above it, any lines above it, is called the resistance. And that's because when the candles come up, they will hit that and they generally bounce back down, and then sometimes they just push straight through. But I won't go in too much depth into that, but it's quite straightforward to understand once you see it. Support is the floor and the ceiling is your resistance. Okay, well, this is Paul signing off for now. Hopefully we'll see you on the inside. For all you traders out there, trade well, trade safely, more importantly, trade responsibly. Everybody else, stay safe, stay well, and we'll speak to you all soon. Paul signing off for now. Bye now.